Have you ever wondered if it's possible to grow taller after your growth plates have fused? While genetics play a significant role in determining your height, there are several lifestyle factors that can influence your overall stature. In this video, we'll explore effective strategies to maximize your height potential. Understanding height growth. While it's true that our growth is primarily determined by genetics, there are factors that can influence our final height. These include nutrition. A balanced diet rich in essential nutrients, such as calcium, vitamin D, and protein, is crucial for bone health and growth. Hormones. Hormones like growth hormone and thyroid hormones play a vital role in regulating growth and development. Sleep. Adequate sleep is essential for the body to repair and grow. Exercise. Regular physical activity, especially weight-bearing exercises, can stimulate bone growth and improve posture. Strategies to maximize your height. Prioritize good posture. Correct posture habits. Consciously maintain good posture throughout the day, whether sitting, standing, or lying down. Regular posture check-ins. Periodically assess your posture and make necessary adjustments. Posture correction exercises. Incorporate exercises like yoga and Pilates to improve flexibility and strengthen your core muscles. Embrace a balanced diet of nutrient-rich foods. Consume a diet rich in calcium, vitamin D, protein, and other essential nutrients. Hydration. Stay hydrated to optimize bodily functions and support growth. Limit processed foods. Reduce your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive salt. Engage in regular exercise. Weight-bearing exercises. Activities like weightlifting, running, and jumping can stimulate bone growth and strength. Yoga and Pilates. These practices improve flexibility, posture, and overall body alignment. Swimming. It is a low-impact exercise that can help lengthen your spine and improve your posture. Prioritize quality sleep. Adequate sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep hygiene. Create a calming sleep environment and establish a consistent sleep schedule. Additional tips. Limit stress. Chronic stress can negatively impact growth hormone production. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. These harmful habits can hinder growth and overall health. Remember, achieving your height goals takes time and dedication. There's no magic pill, but with consistent effort and the right approach, you can see real results. Embrace these tips, stay motivated, and remember that every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. Now go out there, embrace these strategies, and unlock your full height potential. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't for more health and fitness tips.